Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am outside today because it is glorious. Summer is coming here in Texas and it's getting pretty humid. So you may be seeing a lot of the au naturel curly hair days in the summer videos because flat ironing it and curling it is just pretty much pointless. But today I'm going to be showing you a really great summer inspired recipe. We're going to be doing some fish tacos with a mango salsa, and I have a super cute hack on how to cut an avocado into cubes in 5 seconds. So if you want to know how I do it, stay tuned and let's do this. First, can I just show you how beautiful it is out here in my yard? It's so pretty. Gorgeous. Okay, so we're gonna make some fish tacos, actually with some fish that we actually caught. We went up to Lake Texoma at the border of Oklahoma and Texas and caught 76 fish in one day. We had 2 boats and 6 of us. It was crazy. So we made these fish tacos and I'm gonna take you into the kitchen and show you how to do it. Okay, the first thing I did was get frozen mango and thawed it out and then chopped it up. It's about 2 cups. And then also did about a 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro that was fresh from my garden actually. Then I used canned jalapenos. You can use fresh ones. I didn't have any, so I got canned ones. And actually, I kind of find sometimes that you can regulate the heat a little bit better using canned ones because they're really consistent. Basically, I'm putting in about 2 tablespoons of the chopped jalapenos from the can and spilling it all over the place. You know, normal kitchen. Okay, if you don't have one of these little chopper things, I'll try and link it below. They're amazing because if you cry like a baby, like me, when you're chopping onions,
here come the waterworks.
This is the best way to do it because you just make some chunks and then you throw it into this little contraption here, and then it's pretty much like a lawnmower. You just put the lid on and pull it like you're starting a lawnmower. And all of those fumes that make you cry stay inside of this little container and you don't tear up. It's amazing. It's the only way I chop onions now. So that's what it is. Just take out the little blade, and basically this is a 1/2 cup. You can do this however you want, is however much you like, but it's about a 1/2 cup of diced red onion. Then I'm gonna add just a pinch of salt to taste. And then here is the hack. If you have a cooling rack that looks like this, that has a little squares on it, just set it on top of your bowl, slice your avocado in half, put it face down, and in 5 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, you have perfectly diced avocados. I mean, come on, it's crazy. Want to see that again? I know you want to see that again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Completely chopped and in perfect little squares. If you got any that stick, just peel them off and shove them through. It's the coolest thing and so easy, and they're all identical in size. Love it. Love these hacks. All right, so I stirred it all up. And there's your mango salsa, mango jalapeno salsa. So amazing. Okay, now I'm gonna make the coleslaw. I'm gonna be using the Duke's light mayonnaise. So I've got a 1/2 cup there, and it is half the calories of regular mayonnaise. I've got coleslaw, lemon juice, and salt and pepper. I'm gonna be adding red cayenne pepper, garlic, and smoked paprika, and then a little bit later, I forgot the apple cider vinegar. So I'm just kind of putting in a sprinkle of the red cayenne pepper because we like to have a little kick. It's just not even an 1/8 of a teaspoon maybe. 1/2 tablespoon of garlic, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, some sprinkles of smoked paprika. Again, it's just, you know, 10 little sprinkles there. and then just a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. You may have to taste this after you've mixed it all together and just make sure it's to your liking. Some people also will want to add a little bit of sugar, maybe a tablespoon of sugar to give it a little bit of sweetness. I don't usually add that because we don't like sweet coleslaw, but you can add a sugar substitute or you can add regular sugar if you really want something. So then you're just going to mix it up until it's all blended, and then you'll see in a second I forgot the apple cider vinegar, so I'm going to be putting that in there as well. And I put about a tablespoon of the apple cider vinegar into this mixture, and then I just mix it all up. There's the apple cider vinegar, about a tablespoon there. And then mix that up. And then just taste it and make sure it's to your liking, you know, not too sour, not too sweet, not too spicy, whatever you like. Really, there's no calories other than the mayonnaise, and then I just add in the coleslaw. So it's a really light, yummy coleslaw that's not high in calories. Now for your tortillas, you're gonna need a kitchen towel that's clean, your corn tortillas, and some cold water. I just used tap water and put some ice cubes in it to make it cold. And then you're gonna need a non-stick skillet, or you're gonna wanna spray your skillet. I did not spray my skillet the first time and I completely ruined one. But this, I saw online, is the best way to heat up corn tortillas, and they are right. So, second round, I didn't show you the total botched one. I'm gonna spray my pan. So all you do is dunk in the tortilla in the cold water, throw it on your skillet, and you're just going to fry it up for about 30 seconds to a minute on each side while it's cooking, and just till it gets a little bit browned up. If you have a non-stick skillet, it's going to work way better than this. It won't stick at all. This one still stuck a tiny bit, and then I actually ended up switching to my non-stick electric skillet because it worked way better. But whatever non-stick skillet you can use, just cook it a little bit on both sides, and then rinse and repeat for however many tortillas you want. Then you're going to wrap it up in your towel and let it sit for 5 minutes in the steam, and they're perfect. They taste amazing. Now for the fish. I'm going to insert a picture here of the seasoning I used. It is so good. I got it at Winco, but you can also get it on Amazon. They have tons of great seasonings. I think you should check out many of them, but this fish one is so good. I just chopped up, it's bass, some bass fish that we had caught, seasoned it with this dry rub, and then put it on my skillet and cooked it up. It's so good. You can do shrimp tacos, fish tacos, whatever. This is what they end up looking like. It is so refreshing. A little bit of spice, a little bit of sweetness, some fish. It just feels like summer, feels like you're on a vacation. Love it. Okay, I hope this inspires you to do some summer cooking. These fish tacos were extremely easy to make, and I will have in the description box below the calorie count of them, but they're delicious, they're summery. You can get the frozen mangoes, so if they're not in season or you can't find them fresh, you can totally do that from the freezer and just thaw them out and chop them up. So easy. Try this recipe. Stay tuned for next week because we're going to be doing a gnocchi recipe that is so easy. I think I found it off of Living Well, and I just wanted to try it out. It's vegetarian, but you could swap out the beans and put in some chicken or steak if you wanted to, or shrimp, whatever. It would be so good. So stay tuned for next week's video. Otherwise, I hope you're having a great day. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful or useful, informative, and share it with your friends. And until next time, see ya.